3. I used to be MLG in Halo 3. I'll smash you with my energy sword for first thing on. Okay, no more rap for you.
Skylar, why can't I take a picture of you? Such nice hair you have. Wow. That's something I want to remember forever. Okay, now do some. Now do you have a headache? Hector thinks you're funny. Remember when he was a tiny baby and I said everything you do he'll think is funny? Guess what?
I have a lot of hair in my mouth.